Hello. In this tutorial, I will show you how to make from this page, you know, on your regions. For example, now we are on the Italy one, how to do it with these components. So we a little bit like updated the right rails with some new callouts. We added in the body copy the iframe of the YouTube, some body content here as well, which are basically, part of the body content which was already there, but it's into columns and 6 rectangles divided. This carousel, these case studies, plus this rich text component, any questions, and the accordions probably are the same, like yeah, actually, and adding the accordions there as well. So, first thing, we can edit the page itself and edit the new components, or we can just copy the Italian text or your text in your particular language, copy somewhere in the clipboard, delete the language version of the Italy, and copy from English. So we have all the components ready. We just need to translate a couple of text, page titles, subtitles, abstracts, and this body content. So I will go with the second option then. So we will delete the language version of the Italy right now and copy from the English. So first thing first, copy all this text here, place it somewhere in your notepad or your editor, so you can later use that, as well as you have to go back in the backend. Find your page BLK360 in this case, change the version to your particle one, which is Italy, right? And you copy all the content you would see here, which is page title. So we definitely need also title. We need subtitle. So subtitle. We need an abstract. And we will check if we have some of the SEO keywords. And I see the SEO description and the keywords are the same for it's English, so we are fine with that. And now we are ready to delete the versions, so remove all Italian versions like that. Click OK. And now copy from, now we see a fallback right from the English, so we will copy from English now. English. Here we are. That's our corporate one, the most updated one. So we just click on that. Now the sidecar works to copy all these new components which you have seen on this page. This rich text, case studies, carousel, new body rectangles, YouTube, etc. So now here we are. We have a new version, but it's in English, right? But we have all these kind of things ready now. And we will go back to our notepad or whatever editor you use. I use a Sublime text, but it's based on your preferences. And I will paste that Italian language again, subtitle, abstract. Here, right, save it. As well as I have to go to content body now to add these kind of rectangles which are these: speed, portability, easy of use, cloud connectivity, blah blah blah, etc. So let's get speed, and we need also to copy from English, and let's translate velocita, probably edit HTML, click OK, accept, save, and do the same with the others. So copy from English, check the portability. Always leave this checkbox active, as it is on the corporate one. Just a side note, if you have it unactive, then it's not visible on the page. So if you maybe would like to hide it, some of your content body for your particular need, you can do it just like that easily without deleting the whole component or the section. So easy of use. Here we are. Accept, save, cloud connectivity. Again, copy from English. Okay, accept. Two more to go. So I think you see the pattern here. We just always open one of the rectangles, copy from the English version, and just translate the title and the content of that rectangle. So we are almost done. Just the last one, and we are good to go to translate the next section, which would be this body content. So edit HTML last time, placed here, save it. Right. So now the body content is again on the page itself. So the page itself is here, and here is the English text. So I'll click edit HTML, copy this, and you know what? In my Sublime text, I will create two columns layout. I will add a new file here on the right column, paste it, do some visual highlighting like HTML so I can better understand what's happening here. And I can just, put it here, this one as well, BLK laser scanner, and now this is the list items. This is the list items. Okay, next. Yeah, they were kind of like changed, some of them, so let me check. Recap Pro software. Yeah. So there's a new headline. Okay, next on iPad. LE tags basically means that's that list item with the bullet points usually. So the LE stands for the list item, and the UL, which is above the LE, stands for the unordered list. So it means that the list doesn't have numbers. Okay, let me check something. And yeah, I think we are done here. Yeah, right. We actually don't need this uncommented anymore. You can delete this as well, but you can leave it. It's uncommented anyway, so let's save it and publish it now on the beta preview. And let's check what's done and how it looks. So let's check the Italy here and check the beta preview only. Publish. Yes, I want to proceed. Let's take this Italian one and check it on beta 9. Don't know if it's propagated right now, but here we finished the publishing. Here we need to log in for the beta 9 preview. And I see we have it translated. For sure, this has to be translated like separately because it's a new component, right? So it wasn't translated before, same as the case studies. But these items which were in the old one, but were in this list, is translated. And this list as well. Yeah. So I'm just thinking if we are not missing something. Just no. Good. We basically get rid of it also, like of those two sentences, so we don't use it anymore. And that's basically it. Yeah. So this was the way how to transfer this page to this page with the new components, new write file callouts, or some of them, like this, and this, without, linking to these new components, just, deleting the original Italian one and copy from English corporate and then translate it back again with just a couple of clicks. Okay, so thank you and see you next time.